Alright, y'all. This is the place right here. It's so cute. I'm gonna go in here and meet them. And she's probably like, oh my god, this bitch is so late. Oh, there she is. It's so cute.
I will. So this is going to be yours, and so is this.
Ooh, thank you.
Yours is a good place to keep your shoes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And so we're gonna take some fun pictures,
Yes.
and then you guys will be good to go celebrate.
Yeah.
Do a boomerang. For our boomerang, I'm actually going to have you guys each grab a small pinch of that confetti. Ready, set, go.
That's so cute.
Ready, set, go. 2, 3, go.
Oh, that's cute. It's really cute.
Alright guys, well if you have any questions, call me. You want to do Brian?
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And we'll talk to you guys soon.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so
Alright guys, have a good one.
Mrs. Swain, can you tell us about your dress?
The dress is amazing.
Just a little bit.
It's gorgeous, and it is the one.
Okay.
Yes, I mean that's all there is to it. You have to wait and see.
Okay.
October.
All right. Well, y'all, we gotta wait a long time to see the dress, but we're done shopping.
It's worth it. It's gonna be worth it. It is gonna be worth it.
I'm excited.
We are done.
What do you think about the dress, Mom? You love it? Okay. I love it too, y'all.
Yeah.
It's amazing. All right, let's go.
So we are at the Performing Arts Center for the 2019 Bridal Expo, and I'm with my mom. Mom said hi. And I'm with my sister, and my friend is on the way. So we're just standing in line right now, just waiting to get in.
I'll stick around for a bit later.
So we just left the Bridal Expo and it was really good. I got a lot of information and a lot of stuff. I don't know where to put this camera. So I got a lot of information and a lot of stuff. We got t-shirts, we're trying food, drinks, seeing different bridal designs and things like that. It was super fun. So now I am headed back to my parents' house because me and my mom and my dad are going to go surprise my younger sister in Rock Hill for her birthday. Her birthday is Monday and well tomorrow, and she's gonna be 20 years old, so her friends are throwing her like a birthday dinner, so we're gonna go up there and like surprise her. So that's where we're headed to do. So I'll take you guys along for that as well, but I'm driving right now and this is definitely not safe, so I will see y'all later. Deja and her friends, and my mom and my dad. Deja, say hi. This is my sister Deja in Rock Hill celebrating her birthday at Olive Garden with her friends back there. She's gonna be 20 tomorrow. She's getting old. She's still a baby. But we getting ready to head back to Charleston because it's late and I'm tired. Okay, but I have to come up here and surprise my little sister for her birthday.